Hi, my name is Emiko. I am a facial sculpting massage therapist from Mo+. Today, I'm going to show you 5 best facial yoga exercise for anti-aging at home. If you never ever try, it is easy and quick and very effective. Let's get started. Before you start, hydrate your skin and small amount of facial oil. Now let's start. Facial yoga exercise number 1, how to make your eyes look wider and get rid of forehead lines. Place your both hands on the forehead, gently pushing down, and now open your eyes. 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this 5 times. With this exercise, don't do this, hold it down. And now you open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Facial yoga exercise number 2, get rid of eye bags and dark circle. Place your fingers out corner of eyes and gently pushing down. And now squeeze. Contract this muscle. Now hold it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this 5 times. Facial yoga exercise number 3, cheek lift. Making all shape and smile. And corner of the lip, lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this 5 times. Facial yoga exercise number 4, lip plumper. This is exercise has 3 steps. 1, 2, and 3. You get it? Let's start. Do this 5 times. Facial yoga exercise number 5, sculpting jawline and neckline. Place your hands on the chest, push your chin forward like this. And now chin to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this 3 times. That was my 5 best at home facial yoga exercise for you to try. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Body+Soul TV. Click the subscribe button to make sure you never miss a video.